What's the meaning of collectively? Collectively. Collectively.
Collectively. Collectively. The word collectively refers to a group of individuals who are acting in a unified manner towards a common goal or purpose. It implies that the actions or opinions of the group are being considered as a whole, rather than individually. The term is often used to describe situations where a group of people come together to achieve a shared outcome, such as in a team-based project or a community initiative. When individuals act collectively, they have the potential to achieve greater impact and influence than they would as individuals, due to the combined resources and efforts of the group.